Recommended use. Ages 18 months plus, holds up to 100 pounds. For SpongeBob fans, this super cool chair features vibrant and fun graphics of SpongeBob's face. Durable construction. Features a hardwood frame and padded foam seat with high back. Easy to clean. Wipe clean with mild soap and water. Size. Assembled dimensions, 22.05 W x 22.05 D x 24.8 H. Oh Buoy, you know it's going to be the best day ever when your child is relaxing in this SpongeBob Squarepants high-back upholstered chair by Delta Children. An easy way to bring SpongeBob's bubbly personality to your little one's space, this cozy kids chair features his big yellow face, a high, supportive back, plenty of padding and easy-to-clean faux leather upholstery. About SpongeBob Squarepants. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob Squarepants. Whether he is serving up smiles and delicious Krabby patties at the Krusty Krab or jellyfish with his best pal Patrick, SpongeBob makes everyone's day a little brighter. Shop the entire SpongeBob Squarepants collection by Delta Children to complete your space. Top reviews from the United States. SpongeBob Squarepants high-back chair. He loves his chair, especially the character SpongeBob his favorite.